Hello guys, my name is Yashdeep Thorat. Today we discuss the technical topic uh, of the pediatric pharmacovigilance. The pediatric pharmacovigilance are identified as individuals in the age group from 0 to 18 years. This category falls within the so-called special population, potentially more fragile categories due to their characteristics. Pediatric pharmacovigilance are in fact characterized by change in a physiology during growth by the different pharmacodynamic and pharmacokinetic parameters compared to adults, by immaturity of some organ systems, by changes in a body mass and compositions, and by greater sensitivity to pharmacological active excipients. All of this cause pediatric pharmacovigilance to have different reactions than adults. The pediatric clinical trials. Clinical trials to obtain marketing authorization. Each drug must undergo in depth studies include preclinical tests and clinical trials in order to guarantee its safety, efficacy, and quality. Often, however, the pediatric population is to included in these studies. What follows is a limited availability of medicines suitable for children who are therefore given medicines not authorized for this use. Pediatric pharmacovigilance in the is therefore a valid aid for improving the safety profile of a drug. Now, pediatric regulations. The pediatric regulations in January 2007, Regulation EC 1901 to 2006 of the European Parliament and of the Council on medicinal product for pediatric use came into force, amending regulations EEC 1768 to 92, Directive 2001-20 EC, and Regulation EC 7026 to 2004. The objectives of the pediatric regulation is the optimization of pediatric health in the European Union. This is intended to facilitate the development and availability of medicines for children, then ensure the quality medicines by the subjecting them to ethical research and authorizing them appropriately and improving the availability of information on the use of medicines for children. All this, all this will respecting the health of patients, trying as much as possible to avoid necessary tests for children and without delaying the authorization of medicines for use in adults. The guidelines for pediatrics pharmacovigilance in November 20, 2018, the GVP guideline on good pharmacovigilance practice relating to pediatrics GVP product or population specific consideration IV. Pediatric population entered into force. The guidelines mainly deal with medicinal products with pediatric indications, with indications for adults and pediatric development in a progress, and with indications for adults for which there is evidence of use in the pediatric populations. However, it does not deal with a vaccines and the safety surveillance of pediatric outcomes after exposure to drug in a utero. So guys, this is the topic of the pediatric pharmacovigilance. So thank you.